there's a lot of people that have a commitment to make essential oils and make different types of treatments and liquids and shampoos and formulas and so forth. And these types of things are very important for us to absorb and for us to take in on a deeper level. And the reality is, from what you've been learning about me and talking about water, you know that surface tension is an issue, and you know that things are not absorbing in the cell and tissues of the body. So I would highly recommend that if you're in this industry, if you're working with cosmetics, if you're working with liquids or essential oils and so forth, that you consider a couple things. That you consider putting some bioresonance, bionutrient delivery devices in your manufacturing process. That you either put 4 or 5 rings, as you look at that testimony from Andrea talking about how she's shifting the water, or you run your actual water through this unit if water is involved in the process. And maybe we can have a conversation about what your process is. But these are frequency enhancers. These are ways to increase the field performance of what you're creating. So if you're creating cosmetics, if you're creating essential oils, you want to invite these frequencies into that manufacturing process.